Hey everyone, welcome back into our Tuesday night edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with once again talking about weather. It's 51 degrees out there right now. What a great day, and the temperatures are showing that they're going to continue to be quite mild all the way into the weekend. Cooling off a little bit, but still going to be in the 40s, so the ice and snow should continue to melt. We could be snow-free this weekend. How about that? We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph for tonight, this one's sent in by Dina Cannon. She was in the Healy area and captured this beautiful shot of the moon and the aurora. What a gorgeous shot that is. And again, the colors are just magnificent. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. We're getting toward the summertime now. We're getting lots of animal shots coming in, and we'll be sharing those with you too. Here's what's going on as far as the numbers. The low last night, 28, 50 degrees right now, but it did go to 51 just about 10 minutes ago, so it's kind of fluctuating back and forth. Record high, 58. That was set in 1997, the record low 24 below in 1986. Now the sunrise and sunset, well, that's about 14 hours and 24 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Here's our satellite and radar. Once again, the good guy, this area of low pressure is helping to pull all that warm air in all the way around the top of that area of low pressure. That's bringing us a lot of mixed scattered clouds for the most part. No rain. All the rain is being captured down to the South Alaska Range, but it's also bringing and transporting lots of warm air, and that shows no signs of changing at all, so that's the good news. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, it is raining once again over southeast Alaska with 48 degrees at Ketchikan. Juneau also reporting rain. To the south, there are a few scattered showers around the Anchorage Bowl, 48 degrees there, 42, and some showers at Kodiak, just cloudy skies at Cold Bay. Up and down the west coast, temperatures in the low 30s, around 30 at Nome, 5 degrees at Barrow, and Fort Yukon at 28 degrees and partly cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather, there's quite a bit to talk about tonight. We'll head on down to the west coast and show you the temperatures are warming back up again. 84 degrees at Phoenix, a few scattered showers over the Seattle area. Not too bad elsewhere, I should say. 64 degrees at Denver, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms isolated in the Dallas area. More activity moving across the Central Plains and over the northeast, some showers once again there. Now on the satellite and radar, you can see again some bands of showers and thunderstorms moving across. Earlier today, there was some pretty heavy activity moving around the St. Louis area. That's out of the picture. More activity moving across the Great Lakes. And then out to the west, we have an area of low pressure, a little cutoff area of low pressure, bringing scattered showers and even the rain down around the Los Angeles area as we speak right now. What else is in store? Well, more heavy activity tomorrow, with actually Thursday, I should say, by isolated tornadoes, damaging winds, flash flooding, and large hail, all setting up for this area here across the lower 48. So it's going to be some wild activity going on there. And it's all being brought in from the jet stream that's moving from the west to the east, basically cutting the country in half, helping to transport those little pockets of moisture and instability and creating all that wild and severe weather. All right, well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like in the northern sections. Some blowing snow is expected in Barrow and the Fort Yukon area, with just snow showers for Nome. Here in the interior, it looks pretty good. In fact, we're looking at mostly sunny skies at Fairbanks, breezy conditions, still hanging around the Delta Junction area, not as strong as they were earlier, and mostly cloudy skies in the Healy region. Over southeast Alaska, yep, the rain's going to continue. Periods of rain for Juneau and also at Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, it looks like a mixed bag of weather once again. Rain and snow at Cold Bay and Bethel, with rain expected in Kodiak. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, we're looking at snow showers at Anchorage, rain and snow showers for Homer and Valdez. Okay, time once again to take a look at our kids' weather. And this week we're talking with the youngsters from Arctic Light Elementary School. Tonight, a young lady is going to show you a very nice watercolor she did.
Hi, I'm Trisha Smith from Miss Gerwin's 5th grade class at Arctic Light Elementary. I painted this picture with watercolors. It is a nice farm with a mountain range behind it, and I also have a field of fireweed in front.
Nice job, Tricia. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, another young lady will be here asking a question about where to go if a tornado strikes. Maybe not, you may not apply it in Alaska, but we'll tell you what happens if you're somewhere else visiting. Here's your forecast for tonight. 28 degrees, decreasing clouds overnight. Not as warm as it was last night, but still very comfortable. Tomorrow's forecast, another great day with 51 degrees expected again. Mostly sunny skies early, then becoming partly cloudy skies. And the extended forecast, as you can see here, temperatures cooling off a little bit toward the weekend. Looking at overnight lows, also very, very comfortable for this time of year, above normal. and down to the mid-20s with no precipitation expected in the 5-day period there. But really nice today, 51. I love that. That's